Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your name on FreeFire Max. So let's get started. Open up your FreeFire Max application and make sure that you're signed in. From the main homepage, tap on your name appearing at the top left corner. In the profile menu, tap on the pencil icon right next to your name at the top right. Enter a new name you would like to set for your account, and once you are done, tap on the little price displayed at the bottom of the screen. You will need to spend 390 diamonds in order to change your name. And once you are done with the purchase, you will then be able to change your name on FreeFire Max. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.